So exactly the same thing going on with example 3, but one small difference. Now we're going to have to use a u substitution. How do you know? Well, we've got that transcendental function. We've got e there. E has an exponent that's not just an x, so we do need to do a substitution. So always, with those, let u equal the exponent. We then need du by dx, which is 3x squared. Need to get dx by itself, so multiply that up. And divide by 3x squared. So now what our integral is going to look like, integral -1 and 2, we didn't touch the 3x squared, it stays as is. E to the x cubed is now e to the u, and dx is 1 over 3x squared du. Cancel off what we can, the 3x squared with the 3x squared. So we have the integral e to the u du. Looking back at the formulas from section 8.2, to integrate an e to the u, it's e to the u. Plus c, but we don't need the plus c because we're going to evaluate to a -1. Our answer then is going to be f of 2 minus f of -1. So we'll find f of 2. I forgot one small thing though. Instead of e to the u, we should have e to the x cubed at 2 and -1. Forgot to substitute that back in. Don't make the same mistake I did. So f of 2 is going to be e to the 2 cubed, e to the 8th. This requires you to pull out a calculator. You have an e to the power of button on it. Looks like e with an exponent, or maybe e to the x. Type that in. E to the power of 8 should give you approximately 2981. 2980.957 and so on. We'll round it to 2981. F of -1 now. It's going to be e to the -1 cubed, or e to the -1. Again, take a calculator. This one's not quite so big, it's a decimal. We'll take 2 decimal places, 0.37. Going back to the left, calculating it out, f of 2, 2981. F of -1, 0.37. Gives us an answer of 2980.63.